Hey there, have you ever wondered how to wash a puffer jacket without turning it into a sad, deflated mess? Well, you're not alone. This is a super common question, and today I'll walk you through every step to keep your jacket clean, fluffy, and ready to battle the cold again. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Your first step is always to check the care label on your jacket. This little tag is packed with important information like washing temperature, whether it's machine washable or if it needs special care. Most puffer jackets are machine washable, but it's always best to double check. Quick tip, if the label is missing or faded, look up the manufacturer's website for specific washing instructions for your jacket. Before you throw it in the wash, take a moment to pre-treat any visible stains. Grab a mild detergent or stain remover meant for delicates and dab it gently onto the stain with a soft cloth. Avoid scrubbing too hard, you don't want to damage the fabric or the insulation. Not all detergents are created equal. Regular laundry detergents can strip your jackets down or synthetic insulation of its natural oils, which ruins its ability to trap heat. Instead, use a mild detergent or one designed for down jackets. Fun fact, outdoor retailers like REI often recommend specialty detergents like Wax Down Wash, which are proven to clean while preserving loft and water resistance. If your jacket is machine washable, use a front-loading washing machine. Top loaders with agitators can damage delicate fabrics. Set your washer to a gentle or delicate cycle with cold water. Hot water can ruin the jacket's filling. Add your mild detergent to the machine, following the instructions on the bottle. Place your jacket in the washer. If you're extra cautious, put it in a mesh laundry bag for added protection. For hand washing, start by filling a large basin or sink with cold water. Add a small amount of mild detergent specifically designed for delicates or down-filled clothing. Just a teaspoon or two is usually enough. Stir the water gently to mix the detergent evenly. Next, fully submerge your jacket, making sure it's completely soaked. Use your hands to knead the fabric softly, moving the water and detergent through the jacket to dislodge dirt and oils. Avoid scrubbing or twisting, as this can damage the delicate insulation or outer fabric. After a few minutes of gentle kneading, drain the soapy water and refill the basin with clean, cold water to rinse. Repeat this process until no detergent remains. Finally, press the jacket gently between your hands to remove excess water. Don't wring or twist, this can cause clumping or damage to the filling. Dry it right. Drying your puffer jacket correctly is crucial for restoring its fluffiness. Place the jacket in a dryer set to low or no heat. High heat can damage the insulation or melt synthetic materials. Toss in a few clean tennis balls or dryer balls. These will break up clumps of insulation, helping the jacket dry evenly and regain its loft. Dry it in 20 to 30 minute increments, checking in between to fluff the jacket by hand if needed. Important note, if you don't have a dryer, you can air dry your jacket by laying it flat on a clean towel. Turn it occasionally to ensure even drying, but this method takes much longer. Fluff and inspect. Once your jacket is dry, give it a good fluff with your hands. Check for any damp spots or clumps of insulation. If you find any, toss it back in the dryer on low heat with the tennis balls. Quick tip, if your jacket has lost some of its water repellency, you can use a spray-on DWR, durable water repellent, treatment to restore its protective finish. And that's it. Now you know how to wash a puffer jacket without wrecking it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share it with a friend who might need it, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips of your own. Let's keep our jackets clean, warm, and ready for all of life's adventures.